Lot for that. Just wanted to point out, since Vivek was talking about losers, right? There are plenty of stocks that are hitting fresh 52-week lows. And one case in point is Metropolis. That stock is at a fresh 52-week low as well. In fact, a lot of names, you have something like an Aurobindo Pharma that's at a fresh 52-week low. So plenty of stocks in the pharmaceutical space, for problems of their own, are under a bit of pressure right now. Jay Thakkar of Marwadi Shares and Finance will be joining in for a quick check on the technicals of the market. Jay, good afternoon and thanks for joining in. Not looking like a good place to be. The bears have attacked, for now at least, down almost 140 points on the Nifty. But at this 18,500 mark, is the risk reward favorable to go long?
Hi, very good afternoon to you, Sonia and Mangalam. Well, I would say that, 18,500 is the level to watch out for in today's expiry. I mean, for an intraday perspective, from the bounce back perspective, yes. For the remaining part of the day, I would say, a stop below 18,480 would be a good, risk reward on the long side. With that as a stop loss, one can actually go long for a technical bounce of, or a trading bounce till 18,575. 600 from an intraday perspective. Overall, if you see, then I would say, Sonia, the trend for the short term seems to have reversed in Nifty. I mean, the entire bounce which we recently saw, right from 18,345 until 18,700, seems to be quite a three-wave rise. That is a corrective bounce back, indicating that the short-term trend might have reversed, and Nifty might consolidate now within a band of 18,300, 400 on the lower side to 18,700. The Bank Nifty, interestingly, has reversed, and it is now trading below 44,000 levels. I mean, that's the important level from an expiry point of view, and 43,800 on an immediate basis is the very critical level as far as Bank Nifty is concerned, like that of 18,500 on Nifty. So if 43,800 is broken, and if Bank Nifty is sustaining below those levels, then I would say yes, the trend out there will also be reversing. Else, Nifty Bank can bounce back and help Nifty, to further bounce back on today's trading session. So at this moment, or at this point of time, I would say yes, the risk reward is favorable for the remaining part of the day. But from the short-term point of view, Nifty seems to have reversed from up to down.
All right, take that point. From a short-term point of view, Nifty seems to have reversed. We'll keep an eye out on the 18,500 mark that you spoke about. Individual stocks, what should one do, Jay? I mean, since you're saying that the short-term move has reversed, are you looking to go short?
Well, there are a couple of recommendations right now that I have, Mangalam. From the mid-cap idea or mid-cap segment, I have a buy recommendation out here. I have a buy recommendation on Sterlite Technology. I mean, this stock has reversed quite well from its lower end of the consolidation, I would say. It has formed a very nice symmetrical triangle pattern. If you see its last 3 to 4 weeks move, then this stock has been consolidating within a band of 195 to 155, and now it has reversed from the lower end of the region. With this kind of a reversal, it seems to have completed the last leg of the consolidation. The momentum also in the short term seems to have reversed from down to up. So Sterlite Tech might outperform. The broader markets are any which ways performing quite well, despite today being a weak expiry. I think Sterlite Tech can be bought at current market price of around 177 with a stop loss placed below 165, targeting 205 to 220 on the upside. As far as the shorts are concerned, yes, I do have a short idea, and that's on the IT pack. That's from the large cap, I would say, Infosys. I have a sell recommendation out here. It's trading around the levels of 1547 right now on the spot. One can place a stop loss above the levels of 1570. These are the spot levels which I am suggesting. And on the downside, on the immediate basis, one can target 1500 to 1480.
Okay, all right. That's on Infosys. Jay, thanks a lot for joining in and giving us some ideas. So that's the commentary coming in for the day. Let's slip into a quick break. On the other side of the break, we'll have Krishnan Venkatachari, who's the CFO at Signatory Technologies, to discuss an outlook on their business. Do stay tuned in.